What's up, bullish friends? Hope you guys are doing well out there today. And I want to talk about Jennyco. Now, Jennyco, I've talked about several times before. Huge fan of this. If you're involved in this at all, meaning that you grabbed one of these NFTs early on, and these NFTs are the Jennyco passes, the Genesis passes. If you grabbed one of these, you need to do a little bit of, you need to go submit your DNA test information. Now, I've already done mine, but you need to go submit this. Now, let me tell you what Jennyco said here, and this was just yesterday. They put out a tweet saying, "Good morning, everyone. We are just days away from sending out our personalized, detailed instructions to redeem DNA test kits provided by sequencing.com to individuals who purchased the Genesis NFT. Here are a couple important points. In order to receive an email for details on how to redeem your DNA test kit, you must submit your contact information, including email address, by accessing the DNA test on the profile page of the minting website, Jennyco.io, as seen in the image below. The deadline to submit will be March 14th. And after submitting contact information, please keep an eye on your email address for an email with upcoming steps. Once again, you must submit your contact information by March 14th in order to redeem your free DNA test kit. For more questions, please send an email," and they give their email address. But let me show you here what they're talking about. So you need to go into your profile. So again, it's at Jennyco.io. Connect your wallet, click your profile, and it will take you to a page that looks kind of like this. You'll be able to select NFT tokens, DNA test kit, and extras. Now, you just need to click this DNA test kit test, and it will take you to a page where you'll have a form to fill out. Now, mine, I've already filled it out, so it says test is sent. It's not sent yet, but it basically, I'm already in line to get my information via email, as I mentioned. So all you need to do is fill this out, submit it by March 14th, okay? And I'm releasing this video, it's March the 7th right now, so there's only 7 days to get this done, to get this free test kit. Now, if you're wondering what the importance of getting this DNA test kit is, let's go back to the extras and talk about this for a moment. So, as in a Genesis NFT holder with Jennyco, we earn double the rewards boost that everyone else will get. And what that means is that we actually earn 2 times the Jennyco token rewards for submitting our DNA anonymously to this system. Now, what they do here at Jennyco is they're going to lease our information out anonymously to different companies that will then, in return, we will earn back Jennyco tokens as a reward, and we'll earn 2 times what people will normally earn. And we'll be able to do what we want with those tokens, cash them in for extra cash, as a passive income. Basically, you're going to be able to do whatever you want with these. You may be able to stake them at some point. They haven't released any information about that or anything yet, but I'm just speculating that they might have a way to stake these at some point as well. So all I want to point out in this video is make sure you come over here, submit your DNA test information so you can then get a follow-up email, which I assume they will send an email sometime after the 14th with information on how we can redeem our free test kit. So make sure you do that. Don't miss out on this because it's a great way that you're going to earn these easy rewards from Jennyco. And if you haven't gotten into Jennyco yet, you're going to have to wait for a little while because they are actually out of the NFTs now. So you'll have to wait a little bit to get into this. But this is something where I think there's going to be some great residual passive income opportunities going forward. So you guys, hope you're having a great day out there. I will see you in the next video.